Yeah, UV is great and all, but how do I use it in PyCharm? UV is taking the Python world by storm. It's fast. Astral says up to 100 times faster. Here's the big idea. UV does it all. Lightning fast installs, unified environments, instant Python setup, and automatic dependency management. But that's using the terminal. How do I use it from inside the IDE? Astral has good install docs for UV. Here they show using their installer. Just run this command in the terminal to get UV installed on your system. UV has support and documentation for lots of packaging systems, but use their installer, which gives a self-update command. You can also let PyCharm prompt to install UV using a pip install. This is available when creating a project interpreter. Time for the star of the show, UV as a project interpreter. To use UV as a project interpreter, go to New Project, select Custom Environment, and choose UV from the type list. It's that easy. In the new project, as you can see, PyCharm automatically marks the .vmv folder as excluded. A quick note, PyCharm support is initial and you need to select an installed Python with the version to use. That Python's version will be written to the pyproject.toml config file, and that's the version used when UV makes the virtual environment. UV thinks differently about virtual environments and about running code. You can just edit the Python version in the pyproject.toml file, and UV will fix the environment when you UV run something. But PyCharm's not quite there yet. Have an existing project, add a new interpreter, and follow the same instructions. UV isn't exactly like these. It promotes a new way of thinking about environments, and PyCharm will keep working towards this. This is where PyCharm and UV become a dynamic duo. PyCharm can spot when you're using an import that doesn't have an installed package. PyCharm will pop up a little suggestion, hey, want to add this to pyproject.toml? That in turn triggers UV. UV installs the package and updates dependencies. This is how you get full indexing and completions from PyCharm without doing any manual work. There you have it. Whether you're managing dependencies or running scripts or creating virtual environments, UV has everything you need from a package manager, and PyCharm now has UV. Download the latest version of PyCharm today. Try it out. Let us know what you think. Give us some feedback on what we should do with UV.